She's okay. But Vicky's not hey. That's why I'm saying she needs to go see if she's okay. It's time for vocabulary. Vocabulary. Words you know and use. Words you know and use. Are we like sad today for something? No. No? Oh, I wasn't sure. Posture. Do you remember our adjectives? Oh, here, let's start. Does it start with adjective?
Color.
No. How does it start? What does an adjective do?
Describe.
Stand up. We're going to do it together, me and you. Here we go. Ready? Describe, and now using adjectives. Nice job. Let's all do it together. Here we go. Describe, and now using adjectives. Find your ketchup and mustard partner in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. You get to pick your group there, Trig. There he is. He's right in front of you. Well, Sarah, you were in the restroom for a long time, so you were coming back. Teach with your partner. What is an adjective? What does it do? I'm looking for a power pod today. Teach. Okay. Good, Emma. Give them some ideas. What's an adjective? Like the skinny. That tells you what the dog is doing. We want to say like what color, number, shape, and size. Glasses. Hair. Ooh. What was your adjective? Scary describes man. Good deal. Pyramids up arch. Pyramids up arch. Power pod. Give them a whoop whoop. Excellent job. A rule in my classroom is we cannot lay this face, or we cannot have our hand back. Thank you. Today we are going to play a game, and it's called Adjective Scoot. Should we do it together? Ready? Adjective Scoot. So here we're going to be be kind of like an adjective. You're going to be kind of trying to find adjectives like a spy, or you're kind of like a mystery. You're going to solve a mystery. But you notice you got your adjectives, Scoot, and there are 24 on here, but I don't have 24. I only have 18. I don't know what happened to my other cards. Okay.
But you could just make some of those.
Okay. So before I start doing our game, we need to be thinking if things are adjectives or if they're nouns. So I'm gonna give you an example. Bubbly.
Adjective.
What do I do if it's an adjective? Adjective. Clouds. Noun. So what should we do for noun? Should we do noun? Let's do noun. Noun like a thing. Pink. Yellow. Green. 4. 100. Jump. Bird. What about the buttery? Adjective. Excuse me, Emily. What about skinny? What do you do for an adjective? Adjective. Friends, we could just say adjective and not do something fun. But I thought dabbing would be fun. I don't know about you. What about the dangerous? Adjective. Sticky. Smelly. Shirt. What does shirt describe? It doesn't. So the soft shirt would be an adjective. Okay. So do you notice? Shirt isn't a shape. Shirt isn't a shape up here. Okay. So you'll notice I have adjective cards up here. What you're going to do is you are going to be with your partner. So you're with your eggs and bacon partner, or your ketchup and mustard partner. Okay. So what you're going to do is, partners, you're going to come up and grab a card. Doesn't matter what card you grab.
No.
You're going to see how many cards you can get. So I'm just going to go up here. I'm going to grab number 6. So then I go to number 6 and I'm going to read what it says. It says, Stefan ate the juicy apple. And it gives you A, B, or C. Which one is the adjective? Is it Stefan?
No,
That's a person. Juicy?
yes.
What does juicy describe? Describes the apple. Let's do it together. Juicy describes the apple. Or would apple be your adjective?
No.
So what would be your adjective?
Juicy.
So you would take the word, right, juicy in your box, come back, you can even, you can walk really, really fast, put it back in order, come and grab a different one. Gonna
But
see.
now people are going to grab that one because they already know what it is.
But you're gonna put it on, yeah, that's fine, we'll give you the answer to one of them, that's okay.
Yeah, but sometimes I feel like people just always fight over
So he's worried that we're gonna fight over things.
Yeah, like I
Yeah,
don't want
okay.
everybody to fight over.
So what can we do so that we don't fight over that, a card? Alicia, what can we do so we don't fight over a card?
Grab the devil. If both of you grab at the same time, I think we should do rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
Okay?
Grab the devil.
Or grab a different one. Those are 2 ways to problem solve. Thank you for telling me though that you're a little concerned about that, because sometimes I'm a little concerned about that too. Okay? So your choice is you can have a clipboard. If you actually don't need a clipboard because you're gonna find a spot. Now, do you have to take your paper up here? No, but you grab your card and you go back. So we're gonna kind of make a practice round. So find a spot with your partner, but it either has to be at a table or a desk. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Hey, hey! Make sure where's your partner, Alicia? Name on your paper, first thing. Name on your paper, first thing. Brooklyn, that's not your job to sit there. All right. You can do the dates. Vicky Lynn already has the date. Just do it the short way.
I did the long long way.
You can do the long way if you like. Okay, give me a thumb up once you're ready. Oh, Vickylin's ready. Now, raise your hand if you're Ketchup. Ketchup gets to go get the card first. Now, do you run up here?
No.
No, but you can walk really, really, really fast because we're going to see how many boxes you can fill.
Okay.
Ready? Set, go, Ketchup, go, Ketchup, go, Ketchup, go.
Okay.
Now, you have to do it with your partner, Carter.
Wait, do we have to try on the paper?
Okay, so are you doing this with your partner or are you doing it by yourself? You're doing it by yourself.
Wait, Vicky.
Vickyland, come back here. You're supposed to both put it on there. Both put it on there. Fine. Isaiah, you need to use your partner. But did you do number one together? Okay, but then how can you problem solve so that you work together, Isaiah? Right, but is it easy to talk with each other if you're sitting like that? You could spend most of your time problem solving or you did the game. So make sure, see if you can figure something out. Because you do have to work together. Sure. Go ahead. Good way to problem solve, Alicia. Delicious spaghetti. Wow, we have a lot of friends that are having a hard time working as a team. Adeline and Colton are doing a great job working as a team. This team is doing a great job. Which one did you just do? What was it? The nervous? Oh, the nervous girl. All right. Ooh, what was it there? What was your adjective there? Really that. Crunchy. What's your adjective? What's your adjective, Colton? Crunchy. Crunchy. What's that one? Wow. The loud break. What's that one? Wicked. Oh, that's an adjective. All right, what's this one? What's this one say? It says dry air made us sneeze. Is it the? Dry? What does dry describe? The dry air. It's dry, it's hard for you to breathe. It says the dry air made us sneeze. Is air an adjective? Or the dry, like the dry, D-R-Y. No, you need to write them down. Oh, so what? Brave describes the boy. There you go. Oh, what was that one? The fluffy blanket is on the bed. Fluffy describes the blanket. You do. What was that one? Bumpy. What? Butter. I like that on my popcorn. Is that yours, tiny? No, the tall girl shop for a dress. What? Smelling is an adjective, but it's butter. Alicia, watch her. Yeah, because look at melted. Melted goes to butter, right? Butter's a thing. One more minute left. One more minute. What was that one? What was yours? What does visited describe? Vacation. So she visited the massive castle on her vacation. Massive describes a castle. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Put your cards back up. Put your cards. Put your cards up there. Put your cards up there. Count how many adjectives you have. Count them. How many did you get? 9.
We got 6. I have 6.
It's okay.
8.
Fine. Hey, is it okay?
8.
It's fine.
6.
It's okay.
8.
It's okay.
Some people put them in
I see they're not in the right order. That's okay. No worries. Class. If you had more than 8, you can put your adjective worksheet in the red bin. More than 8. More than 8. I had some friends that were working so good as a team. Great team over there. Great team over there. Great team over there. If you had more than 7 in the red bin, to the sweet spot, please. More than 7. More than 6. More than 3. And more than 1? Nope, not in your mailbox. In the red bin, please. In the red bin, please. I'm glad you told the truth. When skies are gray, you never know, dear, how much I love you. So please don't take my sunshine away. Hey! It's writing time. It's writing time. We write our thoughts. So Kyle, I noticed that you're sitting at the sweet spot, but this is my area. Thank you. Okay, so I have noticed that during our writing, we've been writing like, it is black. It is white. It is big. It is small. It is cool.
Don't use the same letter, like the same.
You're right, but
every single.
when I think of adjectives, I think of college words like crunchy or slimy or smelly or some of our vocabulary words you could use. Enormous, colossal, immense. What is something small?
Teeny,
Teeny, tiny,
petite.
petite. We be like the whiny girl or the whiny boy. You could do a nuisance kind of just.
Do we have to conference with you?
Yes, we do have to conference, okay?
Actually,
Yes. Class.
Yes.
Yes. We're gonna do windshield wipers. Ready? Class. Yes. A good deal. You do need to, because conferences are coming up next week. So you're writing to mom and dad. And you're writing to mom and dad. And if you're not done with it, then then they're going to know that you didn't do it. Yes.
Okay, I got it.
Also, you need to find a friend that's ready to peer edit. Now, if I have someone that's typing, could you ask them to peer edit yours?
Yeah.
Yes, because they're already done with theirs. Okay. A lot of us, we need to go over some of the parts of our letter one more time. How do we start a letter all the time? Kyle, what do you think you need to do? Bud?
Deer.
How do I spell deer? D-E-A-R. What if I'm not sure how to spell deer?
You can ask somebody.
Look on your other ones. Deer. Now you can do mom and dad as capital if you want. It doesn't matter. Mom and dad.
Can you do one like two?
No, we're just gonna do mom and dad. Okay?
Can we just do
Is that it? Dear mom and dad?
No,
I need a comma. I've been looking at everybody's. We've forgotten those things. What's your first sentence?
Can you guess my object?
Now you're writing. Can you?
Question mark.
Oh, what? Can you guess my object? Now or item? Done.
No, you need a
Question mark. Then I have the body. The body of my writing is not like your actual body. It's just your other sentences that aren't this sentence or your last sentence. So here's the body of it. So I'm giving you my details. It is a rhombus. It is very immense. It makes a big commotion. She used commotion. Okay? You want your clues. What's your last sentence?
Now can you?
How do I spell now? N-O-W. Now, can you guess my object? It's the same as this one. It's the same as this one. You can say with these clues if you want, but do you know why it's the same? It's also the same because it needs a question mark.
But you don't need another question. Well, you actually do.
Yeah, you have to have two of them that have question marks. When you're peer editing each other's, make sure you look for those things. So, Lucas, Carter. Good. Yeah, don't forget your markings. Sky, Brooklyn, Logan, Emily G, Kyle, Isaiah, Vicky Lynn. Sorry, Vicky Lynn. Emma.
Okay. I'm not going to tell you mom and dad. Okay?
Colton.
I'm
Emily.
not telling mom and dad.
Alicia. Trig.
Hey, Mom.
Okay, so were you ready to conference with me? Did you say? Not quite yet. I see you do not have any of your markings.
Who it is.
Okay, get working on yours. Go.
Oh my God. She can prove it.
Do you have someone here edit?
I'm gonna get in trouble.
Alicia, I noticed you found a very smart spot to get started. I know. Do you think there's a different smart spot for other people?
Yeah. Not seen by friends.
Not sitting by friends. Yeah, you could do that. Are you looking for a friend to peer edit? Isaiah, you said you're almost done, right? Have Isaiah peer edit yours, okay? So this is how. Okay, so then you're going to see what's the first one say. I have spaces.
Does it say
You're doing it to your mom and dad. Alicia? Greg, you need to finish yours, bud. Are you sure? Are you sure? You can go in between math and writing. You have about 10 more minutes. Let me know if you do have to go back. Okay? You need someone to peer edit yours? Just wait till it's right. Good, Alicia. Excellent job. Good finger spaces, friends. What? Is it on the word wall? What is yours?
What is that one?
Remember, these are supposed to be sentences. So every sentence needs a capital letter. It has a tasty lot of flavors. There is a lot of colors. Okay, let's go to what. Now think about what does it look like? What does it taste like? What does it feel like? Remember when you peer edit, you would use like a different color. So you can use like a purple, one that you don't use.
This is how
Think
much
about what it feels like, what it tastes like, where you put it.
This is how much I will smush that. Yeah, it tastes like ice cream, but it tastes like.
How does it feel? You touch it, what does it feel?
Cool.
Perfect. Are you ready to peer edit, or are you still working on your own? Oh, good. Kyle's ready for a peer edit, so Kyle and Sky go together. What's keeping us from doing our job? What's making you peer edit yours, we'll peer edit to be by each other. Yeah, so if you're gonna do Kyle's, come over here. Come over here. No letter. Think about an area. What does it look like? Where is it? How does it get in here? So you have to already have to put it in the hole in here. Look at it. If you look at the back of it. Sharp. Did Kyle do your editing? You have to come with me then before you can type. Okay. So whose was that one? So Sky gave you that one? Okay, well, if I was Sky, okay, so if we don't give him anything, you need to give him a blanket, right? Words are easy to read, I would do the same thing. So make sure you put your name on here. Sky is the one that does that.
I do not know what it is. Even I can guess it pop
Okay, did someone peer edit yours? Okay, how'd you do?
Can you?
Okay. So, let's put, you have a greeting?
Sentences.
You have a body of your, yeah, where's your body? This is your body.
Who is something? I don't have I'll be into it.
Do you have the date? Sorry, you're not gonna get it. You have a closing sentence.
You can write it.
You have a complete sentence. So we got tomorrow. Okay, tomorrow. Good deal, girl. Hey, good. We got your object. You get my item, and you even have one of your clothes in there. Good work, girl. Hey, it is perfect. It looks like you're almost ready to start writing, Brooklyn. Now make sure to get ready for math. Sky is putting all of her things back. Thank you, Sky. Looks like there's a lot of things that need to be put away.
Whoa.
There is a colossal mess over here. A colossal mess. A big heap. Brooklyn, thank you for following your directions quickly. Alicia is following directions quickly. Do your things, please. Oh, and it looks like we didn't get anything done today, Viculin.
I did.
Anything done today? Oh, but are we supposed to put it on there or on there? Here, some of them aren't even there yet. Viculin, line up for math, please. Line up or get ready for math in 10,
Wait, is it in the
9, 8,
Mine is
7. You do not need a keyboard. Put it away. Because I put it on some of them. That's why I did that. 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and you don't have to have the keyboard on there if you don't want to. 1. I would maybe ask a friend, Brooklyn, because Wednesday, ask a friend, please. You can take the ones with the keyboards, but I don't want you to put the keyboards on. If it doesn't have a keyboard, don't get a keyboard. If it has one and you don't want it, you can take it off. But it's math time. What? It's math time, it's not keyboarding time. So if I see that we're not be able to work with that, we'll have to do something else. Okay, go ahead, friends. Working on tying those shoes.
Are we on math class in the class? Yes. Okay. Try. Sorry. I have Lucas score.
Of course. So,
You got mine. It says Lucas score 2. Lucas. Logan. No, I got Logan's keyboard, but then I got Abby's iPad. Adam, I can say Scott, I could really. You got my iPad, but then you have yours. Oh, my God. Let me read it. Oh. Watch mine, okay? Ready?
what are you usually on? Wednesday? K3, I finally have your results. Alright, I need Estella and Samantha and Sky.
This is Sky Anderson. You said that.
Okay, I'm going to need your iPads. You're going to go with Mrs. Henny. And it's the same password. So friends, what you're just going to do is you're going to take a short test of this grade, okay? That's everybody should either be on your iExcel or MathX in a Flash.